Hello guys, what's up today? I say welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. If today is your first time coming up here, I say very big welcome to you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also click on the notification button to enable you, get more of our video. You know what I mean? As a matter of fact, what you having right now on my front, look at it properly. You can see that this is original shower gel. You know this shower gel? This is Korean shower gel. Are you getting it? It's a Korean company in Thailand because I purposely flew down there and made arrangement for all this because I want my product to be spa. And then let me tell you several stuff about this shower gel, several brightening stuff about this shower gel. This shower gel, it take off all your dark spot. When I mean dark spot, are you getting it? And then again, this shower gel, within 7 days, make you lighter, give you the approximately 5 shades to 6 shade. This shower gel. Then again, it will tighten your skin. Somebody like they just got loose because of maybe pregnancy after they don't deliver, or maybe I don't know, maybe the lack of some vitamins for their body. But this shower gel, because it's made of fruit and all that, so it go tighten your skin. I tell you, real talk. Are you getting it? Number 4, this shower gel go remove all rashes, eczema, just name all those kind of yama yama body, because it have antioxidant in it also. Are you getting it? A shower gel that I know that you can rely on. This is it. In 7 days you will see result. In 7 days you will see result. Then again, it is said that this shower gel where you see, so this shower gel have the tendency to reduce your stretch mark. Like if you be prone to stretch mark, this shower gel will fade your stretch mark away. Are you getting? So it's not like where you go look for medicine for stretch mark again, or look for medicine for no. You see, so they use one stone, they kill like thousands of birds. Then again, this shower gel, it will prevent you from having white patches. It will prevent you from having white patches. Have you seen that kind of shower gel? So not be like, because everything you see, a lot of people, they try to customize their product to get disadvantage. Are you getting it? But this one, no. I follow Igbo people discuss. This is what I want. This is what I want. All right. That's okay for this. Okay, this is how much we charge you, and I pay. So now what I want, now they do for me. So exactly what my people want, now I bring come. So are you getting it? So if you find it difficult with dealing with your stretch mark and all that, see the shower gel. If any stretch mark will not come on, I say village people don't put hand. Other than that, this shower gel, they clear everything. It will make your body like a baby. It will make your body soft. After I don't tighten your body, it will make your body soft like born brand pikin. When they born come out, say this na bouncy baby, and you have their body fresh. Now what did the shower gel they do with that? But you see them now, see them. They are very thick, very thick. Don't be saying all those water shower gel. No, very thick. So if you that undiluted, are you getting? So if you buy and you want to dilute it, that's your own problem. Are you getting it? And if you want to dilute it, fine. You want to dilute. So just bear in mind that this one is undiluted. Very nice aroma, and it's not harsh like I said. It's not harsh at all. It's not harsh. The fragrance, everything is 100% excellent. Are you getting it? Then again, what did this shower gel get? This shower gel, as you see, so we have the glowing type. Are you getting? We have the glowing type, which I will show you some of that days also, because I have them in like 100 liters. That I just brought from Thailand, and it's a Korea product. Are you getting it? Made in Thailand. Are you getting it? Korean shower gel. It's original. So this shower gel also, like a lot of people that always have all these tags in their skin, you have those tags. If they listen to what I'm saying, because you both say information is very, very powerful. If your tags are just coming up new, this is the right shower gel that will remove all those tags. Are you getting it? Yes, if you're just having those, they're just developing or just coming out, because you see this skin, I tell you something you don't know about this skin. This skin has a mouth. Are you getting it? Yes, every information starting from the brain. Are you getting it? So now when the information ring like this, then the body would want to disperse the information to every different part, and that information, if it's wrong information or good information, it would want to come out. You will look for any possible mouth to come out. Are you getting it? So it might not start in one day. Whatever problem you got in the body system, no, it might not start in one day, because the problem has been there and all that. So one day you look for mouth to come out, and when it come out like this, boom, it becomes a problem you see. So this shower gel remove body all these tags also. So, and we have a smart oil. This oil also, are you getting it? So bear it in mind that there are a lot to buy, a lot to learn from Austin Global, and we ship everywhere, worldwide. UK, Europe, Asia, US, Canada, just name it. Even around the Africa, even inside the Africa, outside the Africa, anywhere, inside the globe, outside the globe, anywhere. The only place where we know the ship go na Hellfire. We know the ship go Hellfire. You understand? So, other than that, have this in mind that Austin Global have just given a very, very active information. So, place your order now.